Hello students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, we are doing chapter 15, perimeter and area, and today we will solve worksheet 1 of this chapter. So first question of this worksheet is, a field is in the shape of rectangle whose length is 130 meter and breadth is 95 meter. Then find the cost of fencing the field at rupees 20 per meter. So students, before doing the worksheet, keep one thing in mind, that while solving the word problems related to area and perimeter, um, keep one thing in mind, that whenever your working is on the boundary, then you have to find the perimeter, and whenever the working is on the surface, then you will find the area. So here in this question, field is in the dimension 130 meter and 95 meter, and working is fencing. So we know that fencing is done on the boundary. So in this case, we will find the perimeter of the field. Okay, so for what are the dimension of the field? Length of rectangle is 130 meter and breadth is 95 meter. Then perimeter of rectangular field will be 2 multiplied by L plus B. Here substitute the value of the given dimensions and solve the expression, that is 450 meter. This 450 meter is the total length of the field. Okay, now you have to find the cost of the fencing field. So we know that the cost of per meter is rupees 20. Then what will be the cost of 550 meter? Meter means the cost of 1 meter. Cost of fencing 1 meter is 20 rupees, and cost of fencing 400. Here 450 meter is 450 multiplied by 20. So it is 9,000 meter, 9,000 rupees. So this was the first question of the worksheet 1. Now second is, Akshay goes 3 times around a rectangular garden whose length and breadth are 25 meter and 19 meter respectively. How much distance does he cover? Here Akshay is going around the rectangular garden. Around the rectangular garden means outside the garden. So in this case also we have to find the perimeter, because Akshay is going 3 times around the rectangular garden. So we will multiply the length of the boundary of the garden with the 3. So length of garden is 25 meter, then breadth is 19 meter, it is given. Now perimeter will be 2 into L plus B. Now put the values of length and breadth in this formula and calculate the distance covered by the Akshay. Here the perimeter is 88 meter. It means the Akshay covered distance in one round, that is 88 meter, and distance covered in 3 rounds, that will be 88 multiplied by 3, that is 264 meter. Okay, and the next question is, the length of one side of a square field is 25 meter. Find the cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 18 per meter. Again, there is working, uh, fencing, and in case of fencing, we will find the perimeter. So side of square field is given 25 meter, and perimeter of square field we can calculate by using formula 4 multiplied by side. Here the perimeter of square field will be 100 meter. The cost of fencing is given. Cost of fencing per meter. Per meter means 1 meter is given, that is rupees 18, and cost of fencing 100 meter, because the total length of the boundary of the field is 100 meter. So we have to calculate the cost of 100 meter fencing. Okay, so here is 18 multiplied by 100, that is 1800 meter. Now next question is, there are two boys, Raju and Manu. Raju ran around a rectangular garden of length 30 meter and breadth 15 meter, and Manu ran around a square field of side 35 meter. Who covered more distance and by how much? Again, Raju ran around. Again, around means outside the garden, and you have to calculate the distance. So first we will find the uh, distance covered by Raju, and then we will find the distance covered by Manu. To find the distance covered by by both boys, we will find the perimeter of the given field and garden. Okay, so in first case, in case of Raju, length of rectangular garden 30 meter and breadth is 15 meter. So distance covered by Raju will be equal to perimeter of garden, and we know that perimeter garden is in the shape of rectangle, so perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Again we will put the values of length and breadth in the given expression and find the distance covered by Raju. Okay, so here it is clear that Raju cleared 90 meter distance. In second case, side of square field is 35 meter and distance covered by Manu will be perimeter of square field. Here 4 multiplied by side. 4 side is given 35 meter. So 4 multiplied by 35 is equal to 140 meter. Here you can clearly see that 140 meter is greater than 90 meter. Okay. So Manu cover more distance by Raju, and how much more distance Manu cover, that we can get by subtracting these two distances. So difference between Raju and Manu distances, that is 50 meter. Hence Manu cover more distance than Raju by 50 meter. Okay. Now next question number 5 is, Vineet wants to polish the floor of a room which is 140 centimeter long and 120 centimeter wide. The charges for polishing the floor is rupees 52 per square meter. What will be the cost of polishing the floor of the room? Okay, what will be the cost of polishing the floor of the room? Here the working is polishing, and you know that polishing is done on the surface. Okay, so here dimensions are given again. 140 centimeter is length of the room and 120 centimeters breadth of the room, and the cost is also given, that is rupees 52 per square meter. Here the cost is given in per square meter, so I am going to change the dimension in the unit meter. Okay, to convert centimeter into meter, we will divide 140 by 100. So 140 divided by 100 is equal to 1.4 meter, and 120 divided by 100 is equal to 1.2 meter. Now area of room will be length multiplied by breadth. Again we will multiply the given dimensions. So area will be 1.68 square meter. Square meter because square is the unit to calculate the area. Now total area is 1.68 square meter. It means we have to find the cost of 1.68 square meter area. Here cost of polishing 1 per rupees 52 per square meter is given. So cost of polishing per square meter is rupees 52, and cost of polishing 1.68 square meter will be 1.68 multiplied by 52. Okay, so there will be the cost is 87.36. Now next question is, a carpet is 6 meter long and 4.5 meter wide. Find the area of the carpet. Also find the cost of carpet if it costs rupees 45 per square meter. Here clearly given that find the area of the carpet. So carpet is in the shape of rectangle because length and breadth are different, Length of carpet is 6 meter and breadth is 4.5 meter. So area is equal to length multiplied by breadth, and by calculating this we get 27 square meter area of the carpet. Okay, now we will find the cost of the carpet. Here cost of per square meter carpet is given rupees 45, and we have to find the cost of 27 square meter carpet. So 27 square meter carpet will be 27 multiplied by 45, that is equal to rupees 1250. So this will be the cost of the carpet. Now next question is, a square park is to be watered. If one side of the park is 4.2 meter, then find the area to be watered. Here working is watered and you have to find the area to be watered. So here again we will find the area of the park. Side of square park is given 4.2 and area of square park. Area of square is equal to side multiplied by side. So area of square will be side multiplied by side, that is 4.2 meter multiplied by 4.2. And by calculating this we get 17.64 square meter area. Thus we have to watered 17.64 square meter area. Okay. Now next last question of this worksheet is, which playground has bigger area? One that measures 50 meter by 40 meter, or the other by that measures 75 meter by 20 meter. Here two playgrounds are given. The dimensions of one playground is 50 meter by 40 meter and the dimensions of other playground is 75 meter by 20 meter. And we have to tell that which playground has bigger area, means which playground is bigger. So measure of one playground, that is 50 meter by 40 meter. 50 meter by 40 meter means 50 meter is the length and 40 meter is the breadth. Okay, so 50 meter by 40 meter is the dimension of first playground. So area will be length multiplied by breadth, 50 multiplied by 40, that is equal to 2000 square meter. It means the area of first playground is 2000 square meter. Now the next other playground measure is 75 meter by 20 meter. Again 75 meter is the length and 20 meter is the breadth. So area of other playground is equal to length multiplied by breadth, that is 75 meter multiplied by 20 meter. Again we get 1500 square meter area. Here you can clearly see that the area of first playground is 2000 meter square meter and area of other playground is 1500 square meter, and 2000 square meter is greater than 1500 square meter. It means area of first playground is has bigger area. So this was your first worksheet. Pause the video and solve the worksheet. Thank you.